Hello students, welcome to this online ALGA class. Today I will take a practice dictation of some words we have learned to read in our phonics class. So let's start now. Dictation words. First word is sleigh. S-L-E-I-G-H. Sleigh. Sleigh. Next word is soup. S-O-U-P. Soup. Soup. Next word is roll. R-O-L-L. Roll. Roll. And next word is eight. E-I-G-H-T. Eight. Eight. Next word is obey. O-B-E-Y. Obey. Obey. Next word is reindeer. R-E-I-N-D-E-E-R. Reindeer. Next word is vain. V-E-I-N. Vain. Vain. Next word is wound. W-O-U-N-D. Wound. Wound. Next word is pray. P-R-E-Y. Pray. Pray. Next word is group. G-R-O-U-P. Group. Group. So these are the dictation words. So you have to revise them. So students, now open SR 21. We will read whole words. Whole words. Words from previous level. For example, then, let, first, must, around, cannot, take, once, every, would, inside, much, like, best, and same. And new words are, so let's start. Small. Small. Found. Found. Night. Right. Right. Faster. Faster. Open. Open. Next is just. Just. More. More. Different. Different. Begin. Begin. Lasted. Lasted. Next is never. Never. Young. Young. One. One. On. On. Next word is under. Under. And next is without. Without. Off. O-F-F. What you will say? Off. Off. And last word is as. A-S. As. So these are some whole words. So today we will read a story. Now open SR 19. And the story is Who Hit the Bird's Eye? So let's start now. Drona. Drona was the teacher of the princes of Hastinapur. He trained them all in archery. Arjuna was the best student in the class. One of the students got jealous of Arjuna. Drona said, "You will see why Arjuna is the best." Drona decided to test everyone. So, this story about Arjuna and Drona. Next, now go to SR 20. He hung a wooden bird from a tree. He asked each prince, to school at the bird's eye. Each prince came forward and aimed at the bird. Drona asked each of them, "What do you see in the front of you?" "I see a tree and a bird," said each prince. Hearing this, Drona stopped them. When it was Arjuna's turn, Drona asked him the same question. Arjuna replied, "I see only the bird's eye." Drona was pleased with the answer. So Drona asked everyone, "What do you see in front of you?" Then everyone replied is a tree and a bird. But Arjuna said a bird's eye. So Drona was pleased with this answer. Next, he asked him to school. The arrow hit the bird's eye. The student who was jealous understood why Arjuna was the best. So students, everyone came to know why Arjuna was best. So this is the story of Arjuna. So students, now we will do connectors. Go to WS1. Which are the connectors? We have learned connectors are and, but, or. And when do we use? When do we use or? We use or when we have choices. Okay? And we use and to connect sentences when both ideas exist and are of equal importance. And we use but to connect sentences with unlike ideas or to show contradiction. So these are connectors. So let's start filling the blanks using the correct options from the bracket. First is the art helped the dove, blank space, the pigeon. What we will fill here? The art helped the dove, blank space, the pigeon. We will fill and. Next, Rohan played the game well, blank space, won the prize. And the option is or and. C. Kirti will go to Pune today, blank space, tomorrow. Option is but and or. So students, fill in the blank using the correct connector. I will give you 8 minutes. As well as you will do vowel digraph, filling the blanks with the correct vowel digraph combination for each word. So do yourself. After that I will give you answer. So students, these are the answers. First is the art helped the dove and the pigeon. Rohan played the game well and won the prize. Kirti will go to Pune today or tomorrow. Next is the king is rich but not very generous. Next fill up is Mohan has a pet rabbit or a squirrel. Next, Hemant went to the store and got chocolates for us. Next, Sonu is a good player but he is not a team player. Here we will fill but. Next, I eat an apple or an orange in the evening. So students, these are the connectors and vowel digraphs. So today we will be listening to an audio recording of a folk tale. What are folk tales and fables? Folk tales are stories told by common folk ordinary people, and fables are short stories with animals as characters. While you are listening, I want all of you to focus on two things. First thing is what the speaker is saying, and next how the speaker is saying it. So let's start now.
The king and his hawk. Once the king was crossing a desert. His hawk perched on his shoulder. The hot sun made him thirsty and he went to look for a stream. Luckily, he chanced upon a fountain not very far. He knelt down and was about to drink the water when suddenly the hawk swooped down and pecked his hand. now to drink the water again, but the hawk pecked his hand again. The thirsty king screamed angrily at the hawk. When he stooped down, something glistened in the water. It was a poisonous snake. The king knew that a single sip of the water could have killed him. He felt terrible for screaming and apologized to his hawk, petting it lovingly. The hawk too forgave his master.
So students, I hope you listened to the audio well. So now tell me, what was the title of the story? The title of the story is The King and His Hawk. The King and His Hawk. Next question is, where was the king going? He was going a desert. Means he was crossing a desert. What did the hawk do to the king? The hawk pecked the king's hand. What did the king see in the water? What did he see? A poisonous snake. Now go to SR 13 long vowel diagram. Read any 3 words for each letter pattern. And next SR 15 long vowel diagram. So students, this is your homework SR 13 and SR 15.